Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of AlexTechWorks. As you can see, again, this is a different environment than what I was in previously. I was obviously in Greece before, and then before that I was actually at a different property, and I recently purchased a flat, so I've just moved in. This is a temporary setup until I've got everything moved into my spare room. But yeah, in this video I'm going to be unboxing a Sony A7iii, which I have purchased, and I'm really excited to get into it. But yeah, let's kick things off and get this unboxed. So let's get into it then. There we are. So this is the Sony A7iii, and I bought this with the 28 to 70mm compact lens. That's actually the kit lens that comes with it. So yeah, obviously you get the lens here and also the main body here as well. And it's just this invoice. Yeah, so this is it. This is the box. This is the top. It's the back. So this is obviously all the information that you get with the camera. Let's just show you the sides and this side as well. So obviously just plain. So yeah, this is it. Let's get into this next bit. Okay, so let's just unbox this little security seal or tape or whatever it's called. Immediately presented with the 1 year extended warranty, which is quite nice, and €100 off my next lens purchase. Very nice. Pop those over there. Right, let's do this half first. Wow. So first we've got the guarantee, and then registering it online. Those bits over there, and then reference guides, all this sort of paperwork, all the accessories as well, and then the biggest manual I've ever seen in all different languages. Wow, that is some substantial. Okay, let's get this open. Right, so this is obviously a power plug. So this is a UK plug, and you also get a European plug as well. So yeah, if you want to buy one of these, you can take it pretty much anywhere and charge it as well, which is quite nice. So there. Right, let's get this open. Ooh. So this is obviously the camera strap itself. I'm going to be using a wrist strap rather than a shoulder strap, so I'll probably just pop this back in the box once I've unboxed everything. Right, let's go for this bit first. Oh wow, very well packaged, very secure. Let's just move this box over here. Wow, what a camera. This looks incredible. God, it feels fairly weighty. Yeah, obviously this was brand new, so I wouldn't expect any marks whatsoever. And yeah, just looks incredible. So this is a 3-inch LCD display. I'm pretty sure most people watching this video will know exactly what kind of camera this is. It's a full mirrorless camera from Sony, and this is the A7iii. So it's a pretty sort of everyday camera for sure. I bought this with the lens at around £1,800. Obviously you can buy the body itself separately and then the lens, or different lenses obviously, but I bought the entire kit. But yeah, we'll pop this down and then we'll get the lens open. Okay, so there's the lens hood. And then the lens itself. Wow, lots of bubble wrap, which is nice to see. So yeah, this is the kit lens, 28 to 70mm zoom. So yeah, that's the lens. Very nice indeed. Right, and then you have your covers as well, which is nice to see. Okay, so yeah, that's the kit lens it came with. Right, so that is the main body and the lens out. Let's just see if there's any other bits in here. There's a micro USB to USB cable for charging. I think the batteries are in here as well. So yeah, you've got one battery here, and then a power adapter for USB to twin plug. So yeah, that's the full contents of what's in a Sony A7iii kit lens box. Right, so I'm just going to attach the lens to show sort of how easy it is to change lenses on this camera. So yeah, pop that cover off, pop this one off, and then should just go like that. He says, there you go. And yeah, that's it. That's locked into place. And yeah, obviously this is with the kit lens, the 28 to 70mm. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's it. That is unboxing the Sony A7iii with the 28 to 70mm kit lens. Now, I really hope that has been useful for anyone that is looking for a Sony A7iii. You get to see exactly what's in the box, what comes with this particular kit. But yeah, now I'm really looking forward to using this camera and getting some really nice footage, some filming, some photography. I've always wanted one, and yeah, in my opinion, it's probably one of the best cameras that is on the market at the moment. I've yet to obviously try other ones, but I'm really excited to get really going with this one. Now, if you like my channel and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out. It goes such a long way. The more people that subscribe, the more content I can make, the more things that you can watch. So it's a win-win for everyone. You can also catch me on Twitter. I'm also on Instagram. It's all under AlexTechWorks. And that's it from me today, and I will see you in my next video, and hopefully in my new office. See you later.